and some objects provide entertainment for one of Asia's giants. A baby sperm whale plays with a mangrove seed, so practicing his coordination. He produces pulses of high-frequency sound from his large head, sonar that will eventually enable him to locate prey in the black depths. And zeroing in on a tiny seed is great practice for doing so. When you're as big as this, grabbing something the size of a pencil is not easy. With play over, it's time to get back to the family. The grown-ups are taking a nap. It's thought that the reason they sleep upright is to make it easy to bob up for air. The calf is keen to join in, but it's not as easy as it looks. Staying vertical takes practice, and when you get the hang of that, the next challenge is buoyancy. Holding just the right amount of breath is an art. Too little, and you sink. The adults tenderly correct his mistakes. He still has a lot to learn. In his 70-year lifespan, he will explore much of the Indian Ocean.